Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here, and today I've got a product from Satechi. And I've reviewed Satechi products before, maybe not on TikTok, but I have. This is the SM3 Slim Mechanical Backlit Bluetooth Keyboard. Now, it's wireless. It comes with a dongle, and it also is, you can link up your items via Bluetooth. And it is very cool to the touch, because it's got an aluminum frame, plus lovable tactile response with the keys. Now I really like this thing, and I did a full report of this on my YouTube channel, and I show off the way the keys backlight, something that I really had a hard time getting on the film, but I did get some good lighting on it, and it did turn out pretty good. Anyway, if you're sold on this already, you can just get it on the Satechi site for about $119.99. Highly recommend you do. This has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.